What if instead of guessing your next winning product, you could see the entire winning formula behind it before you even start? Not just the product, but also the exact ad that made it profitable. The copy that converts, the creative that gets clicks, and the strategy behind why it works. Because here's the truth, most dropshippers focus only on finding products, but the real winners, they understand the full picture. In this video, I'm going to show you a 360 view of a product research strategy, where you don't just find winning products, we break them down, the ad structure, the marketing angle, the store positioning, and even how to source it for maximum profit. So instead of guessing what might work, you'll be able to launch products based on data, proven ads, and real performance. So let's get into it. Let's quickly understand why it's important to have a system in place, not only for finding winning products, but also for understanding the DNA of the ads that make them successful. Think about it like this. Finding a winning product is great, and it can completely shift your e-commerce business overnight. But in many cases, that alone is not enough, especially for products that rely on paid ads. If you don't know what type of copy works, what CTA drives action, or what kind of video or image actually converts, you're basically guessing, and this guessing costs money. It's like having a high-performance racing car, but not knowing which fuel to use to get the best performance out of it. And this is exactly why I like working with this method. We're not just finding winning products. We are also understanding how to market them the right way, based on real ads that are already proven to work. So before we dive into the method that helps me find real gems with a full understanding of how to create paid ads for them on platforms like Meta Ads and TikTok ads, we first need to understand how to identify good ads that are worth modeling. Because the goal here is simple. Find products that are already being marketed successfully and apply the same best practices. So I broke it down into a few key points. First, and this is the most important one, look for ads that have been running for a long time. The idea is very simple. If a paid ad is running for a long period of time, it means the advertiser is continuing to spend money on it, which usually means one thing: the ad is profitable and delivering good results. Second, look for ads that are easy to recreate. You want ads that don't require complex production, expensive equipment, or advanced editing, because the easier it is to create, the faster you can test it and launch your own version. So now once you find ads that meet these two requirements, you're most likely looking at a product that can be easily added to your dropshipping store and marketed with a much higher chance of success using paid ads. Now that we have a clear understanding of what to look for when it comes to ads, let me show you the tool that helps find these ads and the products behind them. The ZIK Ads Spy. This is a new tool from ZIK Analytics, and it allows you to find winning ads, understand why they are successful, and even source the product the ad is promoting. So let me show you step by step how to use this game-changing tool. First, I'll open the Ads Spy. Now, in the filters, if you already have a niche store or a specific product in mind, you can simply type that keyword into the keyword section. If you don't, and you just want to get inspired by products that are already performing well, you can keep it broad. In this case, I'll choose e-commerce channel as Shopify and WooCommerce. This will show me ads that are leading to Shopify and WooCommerce stores. Now, you can get very specific with the filters here. You can even filter by CTA button. But for this example, I'll keep it broad. So So I'll just choose Shopify and WooCommerce and click Search Ads. Now, remember what I mentioned earlier. We want to focus on ads that have been running for a long time because these are usually the profitable ones. So for that, I'll sort the results by ad duration and choose longest. Now, it's time to review the results and pinpoint ads with high successful potential. Okay, so here's a nice one. The Keychain EDC flashlight. First, I can see that this ad has been running for 43 days. That's already a strong sign. I can also see that the ad is targeting Canada and the United States, which are both very good and profitable markets. Now, this is a classic dropshipping product. The ad copy emphasizes that it's a small, high-intensity mini flashlight with 3 brightness modes. And when I open the video, I can immediately see why this product works. This is not just a simple flashlight. It's really like a multifunctional product. It has a front LED light. It's magnetic. It has an emergency light. It includes a UV light that can detect counterfeit money, and it even has a heating function for emergency outdoor situations. That's a lot of value in a small product. Now I can also see the CTA of this ad, and I really like it. It says Keychain EDC flashlight, today sale, buy 2, save 8%. This is a great CTA because it encourages buyers to purchase more than 1 unit, which helps increase cart value. And in this case, it makes a lot of sense because this is the kind of product people might want to buy as a gift for a friend or family member. And to be honest, I had no idea this product even existed. And when it comes to the ad itself, I would say it's very easy to recreate. You simply need to show the product in action and highlight its unique qualities. So now we found a product with great market fit for meta ads. We already know how to position it in a video, which countries to target, and even what kind of copy and CTA to use. From here, we still need to do 3 more things. Understand if this product is successful across other stores, understand how to position it inside the store, and source it from an international supplier like AliExpress. Now, before we continue with this product, I actually want to take one more step, and that is to check if this product niche is actually performing well across other Shopify stores. This gives us an extra layer of validation. We already know that this product is profitable for the advertiser, which is one of the strongest signals we can get. By adding another layer of validation is always a smart move. And here, what I want to check is simple. Is this niche performing well overall? So for this, I'll use the Product Explorer tool. I'll type the niche keyword, in this case, flashlight. Leave the rest of the filters untouched and click search. Now, from a quick look at the results, I can already see something very important. This niche, especially smart and multifunctional flashlights, is selling well across multiple Shopify stores. And that's exactly what we want to see. The success is not limited to just one store. It's spread across several stores. And this gives me the second validation I needed for this product. Okay, before we continue, if you are enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And of course, if you want to use the same tools I'm using in this video, you can start using ZIK today. Now, we're almost at the final stage, and this is understanding how to position the product we found inside a dropshipping store. For this, I'll simply go to the ad we found earlier, click on Link to Ad, and open the store page. Now, this is where things get really valuable because here I can see exactly how this store is marketing and making this product profitable. And from this, I can take best practices and apply them to my own product page. So first of all, I can already see something very important. The main product image is not just a simple image. It clearly shows the key features of the product. For example, the power of the flashlight. how long the battery lasts on a single charge, and additional small visuals that highlight extra value, like the window braking function and the ignition feature. This is very smart. Instead of making the customer read, the product is explaining itself visually. Now, when I scroll down, I can see more images that continue explaining the product. Each image adds more information about the different functions and use cases. And this is different from the traditional image carousel we usually see in many stores. Here, the images are actually working as selling points, not just visuals. And at the bottom, I can see real customer reviews, which are most likely imported from AliExpress using a Shopify review app. Now, all of these elements, and especially the way the product is presented visually, can significantly improve conversion rate. So if you decide to sell this product, using this type of structure and positioning can give you a strong advantage. So now we're moving to the final step in this strategy, and that is the sourcing of the product. For this, you have two main options. The first option is the easiest. You can go back to the Ad Spy and simply click on Find a Supplier. From there, ZIK will try to find the exact or similar match for the product. Now, in this case, there was no match. There's a second method I recommend. Go to the product page from the ad, right-click on the product image, and search for it using Google Lens. From there, you can add the keyword AliExpress, and in most cases, the exact product will show up. Let's take this example here. Now, as you can see, this is the same exact product. The price is only $19.71 with free shipping,
while the same product in the dropshipping store is cost $38.26 plus shipping.
So we basically found the same product for almost half the price, and this is exactly what we want. This kind of margin also gives you strong flexibility, especially if you plan to run paid ads. Now, keep in mind, the price is dynamic. You can start by selling this product around $40, and if your ads are optimized and generating good results, you can even increase the price over time. And finally, this is very important. Make sure your entire ad strategy is based on the data you collected. So you collected the copy, the CTA, the creative, the targeted countries, and all of these from the Ad Spy, and also how the product is positioned inside the store. All of this comes from analyzing the ad and the store behind it. And when you combine all of these together, you're not guessing anymore. You're launching a product with a data-driven strategy. So now you've seen the full picture. Not just how to find a winning product, but how to understand why it wins. From the ad to the copy to the creative to the store, and all the way to sourcing it for profit. This is what separates beginners who guess from sellers who build real, scalable results. Because once you start thinking this way, you're not just testing products anymore. You're launching with a strategy behind every move. Now, if you take this method and apply it consistently, you're not just increasing your chances to win, you're stacking the odds in your favor every single time. And if you want to use the exact same tools and data I used in this video, you can start using ZIK today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.